Understanding Window AC Unit, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, window AC unit. This is a common term in everyday English, especially in discussions about home appliances and comfort. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means. First, let's break down the term. AC stands for air conditioner, a device used to cool down the air in a room or building. Air conditioners come in various types and sizes, but they all serve the same purpose, to make a space more comfortable during hot weather. Now, let's focus on the word window in this phrase. Here, window refers to the common household feature, a glass opening on a wall. So, when we say window AC unit, we're talking about a type of air conditioner that is specifically designed to fit into a window frame. A window AC unit is typically a compact, self-contained appliance. It's designed to be mounted in a window, with part of the unit inside the room and part hanging outside. This design is important because it allows the unit to expel hot air outside, cooling the room more efficiently. Window AC units are popular for several reasons. They are generally less expensive than large systems, easy to install, and ideal for cooling single rooms. However, they can block natural light and view from the window, and they may not be suitable for large spaces or multiple rooms. We hope this video has helped you understand what a window AC unit is and how it functions. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, but also understanding the context in which they are used. Stay tuned for more videos, and happy learning!